What is up guys? So welcome to our video. And today, may dumating na package. So let's go! So today guys, i-unbox na natin to gamit ang ating dragon knife. Okay, so eto nga guys. Moment of truth. Ay guys, at saka ano pala, na-sprayan na to kanina. Look! Oh shit. Nice! So guys, eto pala ay ang ating Logitech G304 Light Speed Technology. So ito guys is wireless na gaming mouse. So itatest natin ngayon and let's see what's in the box. So let's go! So now let's open this. Ito yung himbagang knife. Paano ba ito? Okay. Ayun, sakto. Nako, nasira yung box. Okay lang yan. Okay, so this is the mouse for sure. Open natin sa baba. Check natin. Ayun, tanggal pala ito. So, inside the box, ang naiwan is, ayun, nice. Merong Logitech sticker. Lagyan natin dito sa tabi. User manual, tsaka manual. Ito is another manual. Ayun, nice. Meron siyang libreng Duracell ata to na battery. Duracell look-alike. Okay, let's go. And then, dito sa babang part. Ayun, meron cable. Ano ba to? Extension. Okay. Male to female. Sige. Now, check natin yung mouse itself. So, this is the Logitech mouse. Maganda kasi naka-wrap siya ng foam ba to? Manipis na foam. So, ito na po siya guys. The Logitech mouse. Wireless, no? Masyadong malinis. Wireless na wireless. Guys, nagtatanong kayo, saan yung receiver? Ito ang magic guys. You slide this and you open. Wow! Ito po yung receiver niya. Check natin ha. Ayun. Ito i-plug nyo sa inyong PC para makonect yung mouse. Pero bago yan, lagyan muna natin ng battery. Okay? Paano ba ito? Ayun. May indicator na blue. Lagay natin siya. And it's still blinking blue. So ngayon, ipa-plug natin yung kanyang adapter. Bing! Guys, so may DPI pala siya. With yellow being the slowest. Next is the white. And then orange. Then purple. Then back to yellow. So sa baba ng mouse, merong 5 pads. The Logitech brand logo. Sensor. And this is the on and off switch. Okay? Red for off and blue for on. Dito naman sa taas, the left and right click. Scroll. Scroll is good. I don't know kung marinig nyo. And there's this DPI changer. Tapos Logitech logo. At saka ito parang grip para pag-open. You just slide it to open, okay? And inside, there's the receiver. Dito may lagay yung receiver. And your battery. And then you just slide to close it. Sa left side ng mouse, there's these 2 buttons. Ang pagkaalam ko is you can program it to any hotkey you want. Sa front wala nakalagay, sa right side wala nakalagay. Sa feel niya guys, masarap naman sa kamay. I have a big hand, as you can see, pero sakto talaga oh. If claw gripper kayo, okay lang din naman siya. Pero sa mga chill grippers dyan, okay lang, maganda yung feel. Ang isang unit nito will set you back 1,899 pesos plus shipping. Pero guys, hindi the prices vary kasi minsan may mga sales sa mga shops sa Lazada. So sa Lazada namin ito nabili. I will put the link down below kung saan namin nabili. Okay guys, so tapos na natin na unbox at review ang ating Logitech G304 na wireless mouse. So hindi pa natin ma-fully review dahil hindi pa natin nagamit, pero in a few weeks, I'll try to make another video for our final review. Okay? Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Peace out!
Let's go.